next adventure over to Booloumba Creek in the Conondale National Park. We've spent the last couple of days at my parents' house just fixing a few things on the Troopy. Go right. We had to flush the radiator, change the thermostat, and it's fixed our overheating problem, so that's really good news. So we're heading there today, so it should be about an hour's drive, and then we're going to camp there for a couple of nights. So we just came to Kenilworth Bakery and stopped off and got a little cheeky donut. And look at this beautiful mural. That is on the side of the building. It is just so cool. It's by this person, Dals von Rohe. Hope I'm saying that right.
Not too shabby.
They're good. Mine is pistachio and caramel. What's your one?
I forgot.
Macadamia, caramel and white chocolate. Very nice. Campsite number 1. Down there. We're gonna check out all the campsites and then see where we want to go. Beautiful. Listen, just listen. Driving up to Balumba Falls. We thought we'd have a little look here before we pick a camp, once at camp. And it is absolutely stunning up here. And like, oh, look at all those trees. Oh, you can't see. Put the window screen wipers on. It seriously feels like otherworldly. It's beautiful. Such nice scenery. They are massive. Oh my gosh. So we've just arrived at Booloumba Falls walking trail. We've got about 1.5 k's until we get to the falls. We just walked past a family coming back up from the falls and they were like, do you have salt? Because there's leeches down there. They've come out because of the rain. And Angelo is shitting his pants.
I don't like leeches.
He's like, can we turn around? I don't like leeches. I'm like, oh, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Look, we literally just like stopped and I just found 2 leeches in between my toes. We've now broken out into a little jog because Angelo is so eager to get there so we don't get any more leeches. This is Bumba Falls. It was really nice and the water was pretty cold. Took Angelo a while to get in, but we made it. We got there. As we got out, a few more leeches we had to pull off, so make sure if you do come to Balumba Falls that you check for leeches when you get out of the water and when you finish walking. So we've just left Booloumba Falls. We're heading now back down to Booloumba Creek near the campground. Gonna find a little spot and have some lunch.
Tonight. Joe. Alright guys, tonight we're making chicken burritos and for dessert, pancakes.
While I'm reading my book. Alright guys, we've just woken up. It's about 5:30. We're heading down to Booloumba Creek to check it out because we didn't get down there yesterday. And just going for a little morning stroll. So this is Booloumba Creek. Look how clear it is. I definitely want to come back here when the sun is out a little bit more to have a little swim. So there's plenty of walks that you can do around this area. It's actually one of the great walks of Australia or something like that I read online. So there's plenty of different hiking trails if you're a hiker, and also like hikers camps along the way. I saw on a map. I don't know too much about it, but yeah. So we just crossed a little rocky bridge across the river and my foot slipped in and got completely soaked. So now I'm walking with one wet foot, one dry foot. Not fun. So we've just reached the gold mine. This gold mine was worked in the early 1900s. Length of drive is 60 meters. The mine is now inhabited by colonies of common bentwing and eastern horseshoe bats.
You can actually hear them.
Pretty cool.
Sick. I want to go inside.
Watch out!
So someone's a bit cranky at the moment. They fell into the river.
Now both my feet are wet. It's not fun.
Oh well.
Well, we've just left Booloumba Creek. We're heading back on the road down towards Brisbane. We've got a car part we need to pick up for the pop top. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. It's been lots of fun. It's a beautiful place. I